So here we are, Lake Superior, got the picnic inside a gazebo with only 3 sides. The wind is blowing at 20 to 30 miles an hour. There's our tent, standing strong. Jeep helped blocking the wind. There's Matt and Jamie's. And then Jerry's over there with his Jeep blocking the wind, just showed up tonight. Folks, this is not the ocean. This is Lake Superior. And this was dry the last couple of days. And that wind is blowing this water up here. And them waves are like being at the ocean. Crashing up on the shoreline. Way over there, you might get a glimpse of them. Yep. See a red blinking light every once in a while? That is Whitefish Point.